The whole purpose is to get data and put it in the truck and into the system, and that will come out in the product. So it's exciting when you're getting new roads and tracks and you see something that wasn't on the map before and you go, wow, we're putting that in.
Marine life and land, cliffs, sand, terrain, it's a very special place. Met a lot of people, caravan park owners, tourists, Indigenous rangers, KLC representatives. So that's good. That one's good.
Cross section you come across?
We've done a lot of work with them to ensure that our data is up to date. That's our POA data and our track data.
Well done, guys. Good to meet you.
Everyone says it's the best job in the world, and they're probably right for most of the time. It is hard work, but gee, you get to see places that most people don't.